How to fix Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft connection timed out Getsockopt error. There are a few simple steps that can help you solve this issue and get back to playing. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type cmd. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: copy, edit, ipconfig flush DNS, then hit enter. This will clear your DNS cache. Once that's done, close the window and go back to the Start menu. Search for Control Panel and open it. At the top right, set the View by option to large icons, then click on Network. And after that, click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Find your active network connection, for example, Wi-Fi, right-click on it and select Properties. In the list, click on Internet Protocol version 4TCP/IP4, then click Properties. Now, select Use the following DNS server addresses at the bottom and enter. Preferred DNS server 8888, alternate DNS server 884. Click OK to save the settings and close all the windows. Next, go to the Start menu again and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it, then select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the left panel. Click Change Settings at the top. Scroll through the list and find both Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Also look for any entries labeled Java or Java.exe. These should also have private and public checked. If you don't see them, that's okay, but if they're there, make sure those boxes are ticked too. Once everything's selected, click OK at the bottom to apply the changes. Now try launching Minecraft again, and the connection issue should be resolved. That's it for the video. If this helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.